Hello friends, welcome to Cooking Pleats. Today's recipe I'm going to share with you is Iranian kebab. So without wasting any time, we'll just get started with today's recipe. So here I have the ingredients. We'll have a look at the ingredients and then start. So these are the ingredients which we will be using for the Iranian kebab. First of all, I have over here is these cubes of chicken breast. I have made it into cubes and I have kept it. So for this we will need black salt, lemon juice, mustard oil, salt, fenugreek leaves, black pepper powder, turmeric, green chilli finely chopped, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, cream, yogurt and cashew paste. So I have taken chicken breast and I have cut them into cubes for the tikka or boneless chicken, which what we are going to take for Iranian kebabs. So we start with, we'll take some oil, mustard oil. It's also known as rai ka tel in Hindi. We'll take some lemon juice. We'll take some fenugreek leaves, methi. These are dried methi leaves, fenugreek leaves. We'll take a little bit of salt and we will mix this. This is going to be our first marination. After marinating this, we will keep this for about half an hour and we'll start with our second marination. So now for the second marination, the first thing we will take is the yogurt. We will take ginger garlic paste. We'll take some cream. Then we will add some cashew paste. We'll take some turmeric. We'll take some crushed or chopped green chillies. Spices you can take as per your taste because everyone doesn't eat too spicy. And we will take some coriander leaves. We'll add some black salt, also known as kala namak. We'll take some black pepper. I will put the measurements into the description box. You can check there. We'll take some more salt. We had put some salt into our first marination. We'll take some more salt. And we'll add some fenugreek leaves here as well. Now we will add some mustard oil. And we will mix all the spices and make the second marination ready. After setting the first marination for about 20 minutes, only then we will put it into the second marination. So now we will mix, it's already half an hour, we will mix this first marination chicken cubes into our second marination which we have prepared. So we will mix this very nicely. After mixing this nicely, we will keep in the fridge for about 3 hours, and after 3 hours we will be grilling this at around 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. So we will catch up after 3 hours at the time of grilling. Till then, see. So now we are putting the chicken on the skewers and we'll put it for grilling. So now we are ready to put it in the grill. Our stew mix is also ready, and here it goes for about 35 minutes. So now we are putting, to show we can do it on the pan also, we are putting it on the non-stick pan. Everyone don't have an oven at home, so for them it will be easier to do it on the pan. So these two we did in the pan, and as you can see it's cooked very good. So we can do it in the non-stick pan also if you have, or any pan you have, we can do it. It's come out really good. So now our tikkas are ready. So our tikkas are ready now. The Irani tikka. It's very juicy and very tasty. I hope you like my recipes. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment.